It is Monday, January 18th. Quick reminder, if you have underpaid your taxes for the year, today is the deadline to make your final quarterly estimated tax payments. So make sure you go and get that done. Of course, you can do that on the IRS's website or via regular mail as well. All right, the markets have opened up to the downside here today following a volatile week last week and a 3-day weekend in between. If you'd like a deeper understanding about what's going on in the markets, then I hope to see you on our next Capital Markets Outlook call this Thursday morning, the day after tomorrow, at 11 a.m. Central Time. You're going to learn about the positives that are out there in the markets. You're going to learn about the headwinds, both the actual headwinds and then potential headwinds, as well as what this all means for the markets, both short-term and long-term. If you have any questions that you would like answered during this call, you'll be invited to ask them live, or if you prefer, you may email me ahead of time and we'll address them during the call for you. To join us, head on over to the website, RSVP, and you will get the Zoom link so that you can join us on Thursday. So with that, I will go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Deteriorating investor enthusiasm for high valuation growth companies and a mixed start to the fourth quarter earnings season made for a volatile week last week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average lost 0.88%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 slipped 0.3%. The NASDAQ Composite Index fell 0.28% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, gained 1.31%. Stocks were under pressure all week as investors grappled with higher bond yields and talk of possibly 4 rate hikes this year. Initially, intraday declines would bring out buyers and pare the losses. Investors were particularly heartened by Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony on Tuesday that softened the hawkish tone found in the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee's December meeting. After digesting the hot inflation reports released midweek, stocks were unable to resist the selling pressures on Thursday. A weak retail sales number, a resumption in the rise in yields, and mixed earnings from some of the big money center banks weighed on the market during Friday's trading. Inflation reports last week continued to reflect upward momentum in consumer prices. The Consumer Price Index posted a 7% year-over-year jump, the biggest increase since 1982, while the Producer Price Index rose 9.7% from a year earlier, the fastest pace since 2010 when the index was reconstituted. Markets responded calmly as both numbers were in the neighborhood of expectations, and the monthly increase for each moderated from previous single-month increases. The price pressures are expected to remain in the face of continuing supply chain constraints and wage growth. The pace and persistence of price increases may influence the speed at which the Fed may tighten in the year ahead. All right, a little bit of fun for you as we wrap up. Another riddle for you this week. If you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. Sound good? All right, so today's riddle is, how many times can you subtract the number 4 from 40? Again, how many times can you subtract the number 4 from 40? Be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on either Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card for Caribou Coffee on us. And then lastly, remember, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. I will also be including links to both our key financial data card for 2022 as well as our 2022 retirement calendar. So if you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.